Tabchat AI is a revolutionary new tool that's just been released. And if you're looking to stay ahead in the world of digital marketing and AI, there are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it. In this video, I'll walk you through everything, and I'll share my honest take so you know exactly what to expect. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll have a clear idea of whether this software is the right fit for you. You can also try it completely free from the first link below. Tabchat AI has some serious capabilities that make it stand out in an already crowded AI space. One of the first things you'll notice is how easy it is to use. Many AI tools can be complicated or require a steep learning curve, but Tabchat focuses on providing a smooth user experience with an intuitive interface. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, you'll be able to jump right in without getting overwhelmed by technical jargon or complicated setups. Another huge benefit of Tabchat AI is its focus on enhancing customer engagement. The software is designed to help businesses interact with their customers in real time, providing personalized responses that can help you increase conversions and build stronger relationships. It's like having a dedicated support team available 24/7, but with the efficiency and scalability of AI. The integration capabilities of Tabchat AI are also impressive. It works seamlessly with popular platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and various social media channels. That means you don't have to worry about switching between multiple tools or manually transferring data. The ability to automate your marketing workflows is a game changer, and Tabchat helps make that as effortless as possible. Now let's talk about the AI's accuracy. One of the standout features is its ability to understand and generate human-like responses, making conversations feel more natural. Whether it's answering customer inquiries, following up on leads, or even helping with content generation, Tabchat AI delivers high-quality results. It doesn't just spit out generic replies. It tailors its responses based on the context, which improves both the user experience and the effectiveness of your marketing. One thing that's often overlooked in new AI software is its scalability. Tabchat AI shines in this area too. It can grow with your business, no matter how large or small. As your customer base increases, you won't have to worry about your AI tools slowing down or becoming less efficient. The software is built to handle larger volumes of conversations without compromising on quality. Additionally, the analytics and reporting features are incredibly useful. You'll get detailed insights into how your AI is performing, helping you fine-tune your marketing strategies and optimize conversions. With this data at your fingertips, you can make informed decisions that will drive your business forward. Lastly, what sets Tabchat AI apart is its customer support. Many AI tools can leave you high and dry when you encounter issues, but Tabchat goes above and beyond with their support team. They're responsive, knowledgeable, and genuinely interested in helping you get the most out of their software. This level of customer care is often rare in the AI industry, and it really gives Tabchat a significant edge. If you're still on the fence about Tabchat AI, I'll say this: it's definitely worth checking out. Whether you're looking to automate your marketing, improve your customer service, or just stay ahead of the curve in the AI space, this software can help you do all of that. And remember, you can try it completely free from the first link below. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've compiled a list of my recommended options in the description, which you can try for free. Don't miss out on these powerful tools. Check them out today.